It's like a minefield. I feel like these luggage sales are going to tell me something I don't want to know. I'll always say exhausted. My itinerary's arrived. Shut up. Welcome to this chaotic pack with me to move to Orlando, Florida to work for Disney for a year. Hello everyone and welcome back. As you can tell by the title of this video, this is going to be the second part to my pack with me when I actually start packing. So today is Monday the 3rd of July and I fly out to Florida on Sunday the 16th of July, which is literally like 13 days away or something crazy like that. Over this next week is when I'm going to be packing, making sure that my case is quite a bit underweight because I need room to bring things back. I'm going to be there for a year. So today's going to be a bit of a trial pack with everything that I've got that's clean basically to see what that weighs. Obviously there'll be a few bits and bobs I still need to add. I'm going to basically avoid taking like toiletries, take minimal makeup. I can buy it all there. And obviously I'm going to vacuum pack to save space, but obviously the weight won't change. Okay, so we're going to go through the journey. We're gonna go through the heartbreak together, okay? If you can't tell, I'm very excited. So let's get packing. Okay, so these are the two cases I'm taking. I'm taking one big one, which is, I can take 23 kilograms in that. And then this is my hand luggage one, which is allowed 10 kilograms, my cute little Disney one. So basically, I'm only taking two because, I mean, I know people pay for more, but at the end of my program, I get a month visa to go traveling around America before I have to come back home and not break the rules of my visa, basically. So I don't want to be paying or carrying for two humongous suitcases because it'll get spenny and effort. So, and I do have people coming visiting me throughout the year, so hopefully I can send some things back with them if I can. But yeah, so we're going to try and be really strategic about it. Let's see how that goes. Okay, so I finally got everything into piles. This is literally everything I'm taking, and unfortunately this isn't everything I own, which is bad. I've got crop tops, bodysuits, vests there, shorts, tradition outfit options, dresses, fancy dress, etc. This is for Mickey's Not So Scary. If I don't have room for it, I don't have room for it, but it's my Princess Mia outfit that I wore to the holiday one and it's so cute. Skirts, one pair of cargo jeans, and then two like comfy flowy pants. If I can't take them, it's not the worst thing. I've got my two city shirts, they're non-negotiable. Then I've got pyjama tops, shorts, gym stuff, two swim costumes, but I thought I'm just going to buy my swimming stuff when I'm there. And then these are all t-shirts. Oh, and then hoodies, overshirts, jumpers, lounge flies, etc. I feel like these luggage sales are going to tell me something I don't want to know. And that is without any underwear, any accessories, anything else. So let's all cry together. Let's see actually what happens first. Let's try and weigh it. Okay, I'm exhausted. I'll always say exhausted. Crap, I haven't even thought about my lounge flies. This is one of the lounge flies I'm taking. This is my Villains one. I'm obsessed. I waited like 2 years for it. But I can put underwear and stuff in this. This is obviously, like I keep saying, not vacuum packed, so let's just see what it is like for now. Okay, let's see. I think it's about 18, 19 already. So I think some stuff's gonna have to stay here. And I've got all my tech to fit in, like my GoPro, my Switch, my laptop, chargers. So I've taken some stuff out, put some stuff in the little case, re-put some more stuff in this one, like toiletries, hair straighteners, just to check the weight with like more realistically. I've also put a lounge fly in there. Yeah, I'm just going to keep testing things and see what happens. So let's see what happens together. Okay, that is a lot lower. Whew, that is under 15 now. Let's see what the mini one is like. That's about 14 kilograms. It's like a minefield. Hello guys, so as I was packing, literally, I don't know if you can see, but there is stuff literally everywhere. I got, my notification came from my Apple Watch from Disney Housing, my itinerary's arrived. So I move in 2 weeks today officially into my new apartment and my itinerary has just come. It says, "Greetings Becca, your upgraded program is just around the corner. We hope that you're excited to embark on your new Disney journey. Our teams are anxiously waiting your arrival." So let's open the itinerary together. It's confirmed that I'm in West. I did do the parcel pending hack where you download the parcel pending app from the App Store, download it, change your say you forgot your password, put your email address in, and then reset your password, and then if you go on your account on the profile, it will tell you your like, it'll basically tell you your apartment number. So my check-in time is 9:10. Ooh, so we're staying, me and the girls on my program are staying at All Star Movies the night before, so I have to check out way early. I've got traditions on July 21st. Oh my god, that's so good. That means I've got loads of time to settle in first. I bet you any money this is the group chat going off. I knew it, I knew it. Oh, we all have the same traditions, that's so cute. Hello, so it's a little bit later on. I'm watching Bridesmaids, absolutely iconic film, so funny. And I'm just starting to put things in the little vacuum packs and stuff because I'm not making much progress otherwise. This is what we're currently dealing with. It won't close anymore. I am going to vacuum pack the stuff at the bottom, but just not today because I've still got like 10 days left, so I'm probably going to need stuff that I've not realised. Books that I need to take, pictures I want, little decorations, tech. I need to sort my GoPro and my Switch out. But I'm getting there. There's all stuff that I've decided not to take. Hello guys, welcome back. It's actually a few days later than I last picked up this camera. So I think last Monday, and now it is Wednesday of the following week. So it's the 12th of July today, which means that I moved forward to this Sunday. Ah, it's so exciting. So I'm out in the hallway upstairs on the landing, as we call it in England. And I've got the Hoover out, and I've got all my vacuum packed bags ready to go. So, are you ready for the magic? So you just put that on there, release it from the top, bring it down, pop it on there, and then you press the on button. Shut up. Woody. Whoa! Okay, so let's do this together. So take that off, and then you see how we've disattached this. So we pop that on just here, like that. Get all the air out. Okay, so now I've got a completely empty suitcase. You can't see that. You still can't see that. So I'm gonna try and fill it up with the things that we've just vacuum packed. Okay, so I've rejigged everything because my little case was too heavy. So I'm going to try and reweigh this, even though it's not technically closing properly yet. But let's see what weight we get from it. Can't tell what that is. Oof. It's under. Okay, but not by a lot. Right. And I've still got another pair of shoes to go in. I literally fly tomorrow morning, less than 24 hours, so I've checked in now. Everything's going ahead as far as I know. So we fly at 11, our lounge is booked for 8:30, and me and the girls and everyone are meeting at 7:30, just to drop the bags off, say bye to our families, and then go through security and head to the lounge. So it's officially all packed away. Gotta have Minnie on the front. City scarf and stuff decoration. Shoe, one of them's in there, one of them's in the case. This is what it looks like when I lift it off. You've got bell towel wrapped in, shoes, vacuum pack bags, liquid talc, makeup, lounge flies with underwear in it, my wand in my Harry Potter wand in my straightener's case, my empty Chili's bottle, everything a girl could possibly need, and we're done just like that. I sadly had to swap my mini suitcase for just a normal one because on its own the Minnie Mouse case weighed 4 kilograms and this one weighs like practically nothing. So I've added the little stitch head, stitch neck pillow to Disneyfy it a little bit. Still can't believe it's happening. It's been a very emotional morning at home, and I'm just feeling so incredibly grateful that this is happening. Like, it's just mind-boggling. So I do apologise for the mess, but as you can imagine, everything's a bit hectic today. But I'm going to put these away And yeah, so thank you so much for watching this packing video. There's probably not much else I can show you. So yeah, I've weighed the case and it's just on 23, if not maybe a little bit over, but let's hope that it's fine. I'm gonna put the luggage strap around it and then that's it, good to go. So I'm gonna upload all this footage now, quickly edit and upload this before I fly tomorrow. So wish me luck with that. So the next video you see from me will be my official moving to Florida video. So I'm doing a full travel day video tomorrow in the morning. So I'm so excited for that. So definitely subscribe and like this video so you can see all the future videos that I'm going to be posting, and let me know if there's anything you want to see from me while I'm over in Florida for a year. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.